Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Mandy. Today I'm going to be making some delicious shepherd's pie, and in this video I will go over with you step by step how to make my shepherd's pie. And if you watch the whole video, I hope that you do like it. Please like, subscribe, and share. So let's go ahead and get things started. In my pan I have 2 pounds of ground beef and half a pound of ground pork. In my bowl over here I have white chopped onion. Let's go ahead and walk down by the counter here. We're going to have some Bob Evans mashed potatoes, yellow corn, brown gravy mix, and shredded cheddar cheese. So I've been letting my ground meat sit for a few minutes there in the pan to get a little bit of a sear on. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix the meat up and, try to get it chopped down into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to add in some salt and next up some pepper. Okay, and the onion that I have in the bowl is just a half of a large white onion that I've chopped up that I'm going to go ahead and add into our meat mixture that's cooking. So I noticed I still had some big chunks of meat, so I'm going to go ahead and use this potato masher to get that meat a little bit smaller. So now I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my brown gravy mix. This is just for flavor. I'm not actually making a gravy with the meat. Okay, so our meat has browned up nicely and is now finished. It smells amazing. So I went ahead and put the beef down into the pan. Well, I have pork in there too. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some of that yellow corn on top of my meat mixture. Go ahead and spread it out all over the meat. Next step is mashed potatoes. And I get the Bob Evans already made mashed potatoes because they are really delicious and it saves on a lot of time from making your own mashed potatoes. So this will make for a good weeknight meal. Less time consuming, and this dish is very hearty, so you can eat, some and still have some left over without feeling hungry and have leftovers for the next day. So I got the potatoes all spread out over the dish. Now it's time to go ahead and add some of that cheddar cheese on top. And I do have another dish there because I had some leftover ingredients, so I just went ahead and made a big pan and a smaller dish. And who doesn't love cheddar cheese? Yum. Everybody loves melted cheddar cheese. Okay, now time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and pop your dishes in for about 35 to 40 minutes. I will eventually. I'm not going to get it off. Okay, our shepherd's pie is all done and it smells amazing. Can't wait to eat. Really hope that y'all like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and thank you for watching. Bye!